Hey YouTube, Carl here. It's been a while since I had any flight footage to share, but I just got this Hangar 9 Piper Pawnee in the air and dialed in, and I wanted to share it with you. This is the 80-inch span Piper Pawnee 40 from Hangar 9. Unfortunately, it is a discontinued model, but if you can find one, they are a blast to fly. This particular Pawnee actually has an interesting history. It was originally owned and flown by John Redman when he was with Horizon Hobby. He gifted this aircraft, kitted out with a 14cc 4-stroke, to fellow NVRC club member Adrian Apodaca. I hope I got your last name right, Adrian. Adrian operates the Real RC Reviews website, where you can find unbiased reviews of all sorts of RC gear. After many years in Adrian's hangar, the Pawnee needed a new home, and I jumped on the opportunity as soon as I saw it. Being an electric guy, I did make a few modifications, and I'm really loving the results. I started with moving the servos back into the tail and installing an Eflite Power 60 with a 90 amp ESC, a 20 amp Castle Creations BEC. I upgraded the landing gear to functional Robart quarter-scale cub gear with 5-inch Tundra tires, and in a moment you'll see how well they soak up a short landing. This is my 5th flight, and I'm starting to get her really dialed in. With the modifications, she balances perfectly on the CG without the battery, so with the modified battery tray I can run any 6S pack. With the 6S 8000 mAh packs and the 15x7x3 prop, I'm getting really great performance and could easily fly for 10 minutes or more. I want to thank Adrian and John before him for taking such good care of this classic. Hopefully she'll be flying for many more years and may even see some light duty as a tow plane for smaller sailplanes. Thanks for watching.
Dude.
Exercise that landing gear. That would have been a belly flop.